Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want to find profitable keywords before spending money on ads, Google's Keyword Planner is the tool you need. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Keyword Planner in Google Ads 2026 to discover keywords, ideas, search volume, and competition. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is to open the Keyword Planner. You're going to log into your Google Ads account and then you're going to make sure to set up your Google Ads account by clicking on Start Now and fill in all the information about your business, such as the business name and the business website, which is mandatory, and click on Next and fill in the other informations. After that, you're going to move and access the Google Keyword Planner. Now to open the Google Keyword Planner, you're going to click on Tools in the left navigation, just like this, just like you see in the picture. You're going to click on the Tools icon and then from the menu, you're going to select the Keyword Planner listed under Planning. You're going to select this option right here, which says Keyword Planner. After that, you'll then see three options. Discover new keywords. This option gives you new keywords ideas that you can use to increase your website traffic. You can get search volume and forecast. You can use this option to find out the historical trend, search volumes, and future forecasts for a list of keywords. And you can organize keywords into an ad group. You can also add this option to take keywords and organize them into groups for advertising. Now, as you can see here, this is the Keyword Planner. And here, after that, you're going to try to discover new keywords options. You can start with keywords like this. You're going to click on the keywords here. And then you can start with a website. If you go with the Start with a Website option, you can enter a website URL to find keyword ideas, and Google Keyword Planner uses the website you entered as a source and bring up search terms for you to use. And that's it. That's how you use Keyword Planner in Google Ads 2026. Mastering this tool gives you a huge advantage over competitors. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.